The pirates, that's what happened. Boom! All the pirates must think when the soldier ship was ready to stick. Well, the pirates want to attack, but the pirates But that's what happened. They're fighting and fighting. The pirates were so many who they come first. Ooh, the pirates. Then the soldiers changed their mind. And then they wanted to fight the other red ship. So that's what happened. They changed their minds and they went to fight the red ship. But the red ship had too many. Was stinking and lanking and lenkos. Lightning boom, lightning flash. Well, they were going to board. That's when the soldiers ran on the ship. That's when the soldiers ran on the ship. They didn't fall on the ship. They followed on the ship. They were fruited to stink alluded. Stink alluded. The one alluded. So that's what happened. They're all there. They got all locked there. And when they couldn't get and so they fell down. And then the sea. And then when the shark came, they must swim away. And they were gone forever and ever.
Is that the end?
No.